Go.
Alright.
See, you didn't know it till we did.
All the input are 0.
Yes, I can.
So if I put this the ignition on,
Okay, so now we gotta
should be
stick,
low.
You stick it.
I'm just following the table right here. Table. So
So you use the top
put the passenger seat belt on, still low. Turning back off, so I can put the driver's seat, still low. Then both passengers still low,
You can go grab a really long
and then off. So it's gonna be, it should be high, passenger seat, high. And then this should turns out to be low. Goes back to low, and this should go to high again. And then it should be low. This should also be in this high. And then that's high. And then this should be
That's right.
there. Low. And the next one should be high. Yep. Next one is high also. And also high. And lastly, all of them on. Should be low.
if we
All circuit worked.